We're hanging out at the beach for our boy, our brothers, family, rest in peace. About to paddle out.
Nothing but love around here. Everything we do, man, we love each other.
Yeah, you're reading my mind, Daryl. You're reading my mind.
My little road dog. He's always down for lowers, always down for recon, always down for an adventure.
We love Venice.
Yeah, we love Venice. We love Tyler.
Heart of gold. Best fucking style ever. Let me, Tyler. He was hopping over our fence to check out our surfboards every day, and the camera would be on the bottom. Trying to hop over our fence and cruise and check out our surfboards on Rialto and Andalusia. Eventually, he grew up to be a better surfer than all of us.
Tyler doing the sickest straight air that I've ever seen. I'm not sure if Tyler ever saw it. And Larry just posted it. It's like, I think, one of the sickest ever photos at the pier.
Tyler, I miss you, brother. All the good times you shared, especially that Mexico trip, dog. You'll be missed. We love you.
Check it out. PK.com. But it's true. You see this? He put 2 nylon cords here. I did for extra stability, and it's extra fat because I was going to watch it. Is that what it was? Yeah.
No, I don't really know what
We talked about it. I said I wanted to be too big, but I wanted to be floating.
This is my abstract era. Instead of that, why didn't you get a half-inch trigger?
That half's got 2 nylon cords glassed in there on either side. It's abstract. Some abstract shit.
Tyler, man.
Celebrating Tyler's life, you know? Yeah. You did the arch, huh? That looks cool. Yeah, man.
Celebrating Tyler's life.
It's for Tyler's memorial, but I want to say it's more of Tyler's reunion.
Here for Packham, little Packham, man. Rest in peace.
This sucks, but you know what? Tyler loves everybody here so much, and thank you. And you know how much I love him. Okay? I'm trying. I'm not a musician like you, Jay. Sorry. All right. All I gotta say is Tyler is the biggest part of this family. Our family. We love him so much, all of us, and thank you for being here. I love you guys.
We love you, Mike.
Love you, bro. I'm sorry.
Tyler had the biggest, sweetest heart, and I just want to say that he was such a beautiful soul, and all he ever wanted was a family, to be a family. That was the most important thing to Tyler, more than the ocean, which he loved. But I just want to say my world will never be the same, or look the same, or smell the same without my son. But I have his grandbabies now, and I'm just so glad I have them. And he was my world. Thank you.
When I go to see Tyler, I wish I could gain his poise and his temperament and just the way he even walked. You know what I'm saying? He walked with a stride. Nothing really bothered him, and that bothered me. You know what I'm saying? That was like, this dude, man. He's telling an old man like me to like just chill out, dude. He did some things for me like 2 years ago. He got suited and booted and let me marry his mother. That's what, you know, I got the privilege of that. He stood up, put a suit on, and I love my wife and her whole extended family. And thank you.
He like taught me when you see like don't be scared of the wave, like you always got paddle towards it. Like don't like be scared of it. And like took me boogie boarding on like a really big day, and we were like in the barrel, and he told me that I see it, and I was like, no, I was closing my eyes, and he just kept making me go back and forth like out there with him.
Yeah, I'm too sneaky. You're a sneaky old man.
Yeah, you sneaky old man.
Stinky.
Stinky too. I'm gonna get him in the leg trunk.
I got the ball.
Dad, wherever you are, I'll be there one day, and like we'll all be there one day. We love you.
After all this happening, I'm realizing that a lot of the things I do is because of him, and he's inspired me to do so many great things. From music, punk rock music, to surfing, to skating, he's always inspired me to just be a ripper, and I could see that in everybody else. So, and big thing about family, he's always just seen a community around Tyler, always saying, just every time I go out somewhere with him, always just love from other people.
There's a little short prayer that Tyler, you guys probably all know this. God grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, courage to change the things I can. Thank you. That was important to him.
I played with her daddy, and he used to call her baby girl. And the day he passed, Olivia wrote his name in the sand, Tyler, in handwriting, it was script handwriting, and then a ladybug came and flew to the letter of Tyler on his name, on the end of his name. And we all know that was Tyler. Say hello to her.
Another story is one time I asked, can I shave his head? And he said sure. And then I shaved his head, but it looked really bad. And then it was just really funny. I miss him a lot. And I love him. I think he was like one of the best surfers I've ever seen. And I'd rate him a 10 out of 10.
From every surf break in between Ventura C Street to Cardiff Encinitas, he was there. If Tyler was out in the water, you couldn't hear it, but you could tell by the way he surfed. His surfing was powerful, magical, and effortless. If he was out in the water, you knew you were in the presence of greatness and about to witness something special. Even his wipeouts looked epic. Not only did I lose what feels like a brother, but Jacob and Ollie lost their dad. Not knowing what comes next is hard, but knowing he lives on and both of you brings comfort, and I truly believe he's watching over both of you and very proud.
Donnie Wilson, Northside Santa Monica. Jerry, I'm here. I did get a hall pass to get here just so nobody beat me up, alright? Thanks to Mike Packham, John McClure, Old School, Randy Wright, all those guys that controlled this area. And then we all had kids. And again, all you guys I haven't seen for years, it's so good to see you, and it sucks to see all my old friends. Scott's paddle out, Jay's paddle out. Now Tyler's, dude, come on, dude, this is wrong. But the bottom line is, Tyler was a fucking amazing surfer. Mike Packham's prodigy kid. What else could you expect? We're all gonna miss Tyler. We all love Tyler. Tyler was rad. He wouldn't even say anything. He just walk up. I guess I meant like, oh, hey Donnie, how you doing? I'm like, yeah, I'm fine, bro. Yeah, well, okay. Got any wax? Yeah, sure, here, bro. What else you need? A leash? So when you get to surf with people that are just really, really good surfers, I mean really good surfers, you're like, dude, that kid is special. Why couldn't I be like that? That fucking sucks. Not that he was a great surfer, but that he died. Because I wanted to see more of it. I wanted to see Jacob do it. I told Zephyr, take Jacob every day to the beach, go. Because he's the next. Jacob, you're going to be ripping. You'll be having some fun out there. You know what I mean? Same with all you little kids, because all you little kids were all these little kids for us.
Tyler was always one of those kids. I think he was like 10 years older than my boys, and he was just an absolute ripper and someone that they looked up to. Just big, powerful, competitive. It was a privilege for me to help start these surf contests so that him and his family could raise kids in that environment like the other surf towns get to do. Tyler was always a presence at all of the contests, and he surfed with us in our West Coast Board Riders team. And, you know, I think everybody's gonna miss Tyler. Just a good soul, and you just wanted him to be around all the time, and he's not around now, and it kind of sucks, that's all.
Felt like something died in my soul. When I first met Tyler, he was like a little floater, you know. He was a little grom, and I was like, who the fuck is that kid? On those turns. And then soon enough, he like grew like a bean sprout. Bagel named him Baby Giraffe because he was so tall and lanky. Anyways, that kid had so much style. For me, I think he was probably the best kid out of Venice. Best style, fucking big airs, impeccable turns. He was like a little brother. He was such good energy. He was a proud dad. Loved his kids and family more than anything. I remember him talking about you, Jacob, all the time. Like my cub. And he wants you to surf in his footsteps, and we're all looking forward to seeing you surf like him. And Ollie. He was also my road dog, because I like to travel and surf really good waves, right? So anytime I would always go to lowers, road trips, he was always down. Go to Rincon, call Tyler. Anytime he was always down. He dropped anything on a dime. He was always down for good waves. Tyler was a phenomenon who's a huge loss for this community, and I hope we don't have to do this again anytime soon. We love you all. We love you, Tyler. Love you, Tyler.
This guy's building a little metal tower out of your forks for dessert, so.
I saw the whole thing. Happy birthday to you. spiritual war. This is the spiritual war.
I feel the rain on my skin. I hear my heart beating within. I feel the spirit in the wind. Bigger than what I see.
I just want to tell you that your daddy was an amazing friend. I love your daddy so much. And we're never going to forget him. He was the best surfer we had around here, you know.
Happy birthday, Mia. We love you.
Daddy, wherever you are, I'll be there one day and we'll all be there together. I love you so much.